Dunn. I'm the director for the Newport Children's Theater and Robin Hood. I would like to let you at least know a couple of things. One, thank you for keeping the central aisle clear. You will not get trampled now. We do have actors running back and forth through this whole area and up and down this aisle, so little children, please watch your fingers. Also, if you have any bottles or anything, please make sure you keep them out of the aisle. At intermission, nobody seems to know when intermission is. I have to come out and tell everybody there's 2 scenes, and then when everybody runs away, that's intermission. At the back rooms, you see this large brown building behind me. Actually, the building behind that. You walk right down near this path, these little steps, and you turn left, and that's the back.
No! We mustn't stop, lady, seeing as how we may not know for certain that where we think we are is not in fact the place that we ought to be.
Does that mean we're lost?
Lost? Us? Lost? No. No, we're not lost. We're lost. We're not. No.
That means yes.
Do not fear, my lady, for I never in my life was lost. Even the time I run to a tree, a night as black as ink, and disfigured heads. First wise, wonk to a bow. Smug the place where even cheese goes to die. But I wasn't lost. They didn't nose me out for a mile, or 3 distance, on account of the sumpo stench of Zalbo in person. So I was found comparatively quick, although I wasn't too popular for the fortnight after, except for my brother's pig, which called an American beef, had to be sold.
I love that pig.
Then where exactly are we?
Same place we were half an hour ago. In fact, we've been here several times today.
You mean we've been going around in circles?
No, sir. We're just going back to the same location.
I think you're right. I recognize this place.
Then you're not lost. Are you?
But where are we on the map?
Oh, we're not on the map. We're in the forest. Can't you tell by all the trees?
Wherever we are, I like it. Look at all the big apples.
Those apples look wizard, lady.
Look at it.
I'm sure Lady Merle will not want to stop here. Where is she anyway, Jenny?
Sorry, sir, but she don't like nobody watching her eat. She's awfully peculiar like that. I'm to wait for her here.
I tell you, this is not a safe place to stop in.
If you don't know where we are, then how do you know if it's safe or not?
Are there bears in this forest? I'm deathly afraid of bears. Me uncle Doc was eaten by a bear in the woods. It was a tragical thing, let me tell you. He'd done enough to do what no man could do before. There is nothing else. It was.
There are no bears here. Wolves, maybe.
Wolves?
There ain't no wolves here. Although I've heard stories of ghosts in these woods.
It isn't spooks or wolves we need to be worried about. It's outlaws.
We found bits of me uncle scattered through the woods. The bears dropped bits of him along the way, like breadcrumbs. That's how I got me lucky finger. I keep it up in all this city. That's a nice view.
Perhaps if there are bears, we should stay clear of this here forest.
There are no bears. There are no wolves and no ghosts. It's lunacy staying in these woods after dark. The outlaw Robin Hood lurks here in his band of murderers. Coming, Lady Merle.
You gallant souls, all you that love mirth for to hear, and I will you tell them of old outlaws that live in Nottinghamshire, as Robin Hood in the forest, all under the green tree. There was beware of looking for Robin Hood, you've come to the right place. Sherwood Forest, in the county of Nottingham. If you're poor, if you're hungry, if you're a victim of the wicked sheriff and his cruel ways, this is the place for you, no questions asked. There you are, Beth, with your idle ways. Where are those apples for my baking? Oh, here they be. Small, though, too early in the season. Not enough for more than one pie. Well, if I know you, Mother Meg, that pie will be for Robin. More than likely, he'll take one small bite and give the rest to the first hungry wretch who stumbles into Sherwood Forest. Well, a bite of pie is better than digging for roots. Tastes better, too. Everything I had. Gone. What will I do? Where will I go? What will become of me?
You've nothing to fear. You've a friend in Robin Hood.
It's Little John. Who's out with him?
Where's Robin?
Hunting, of course. If we're going to eat, someone has to hunt. And who's better than Robin? I'm so tired. Here, let the woman rest, Little John.
One of the finest chairs.
Ha! If you prefer hard to soft. I've good news for Robin! I wish I had some. What's your news, Will? There's a rich caravan headed this way. It makes for Nottingham Castle.
Rich, you say? That is good news.
Is that the caravan? Of course not. That's Robin! Robin!
Good hunting, Mother Meg. These will fill up your cooking pot.
So plump they are.
I bet you didn't waste one arrow, Robin.
Not a one.
There's a man in England who can beat you when it comes to bow and arrow.
What ho?
Not the bit of the sheriff's work.
Poor creature has no place to live.
I found her wandering through the forest.
No need to explain. Taxes?
Yes, sir.
There's no need to call me sir. Robin does me nicely.
The sheriff said he had the right to chip a widow's taxes. He said Prince John gave him the right. Prince John? I spit when I hear his name. If only King Richard would return from the Crusades, he'd set things right soon enough.
It's an old story. The sheriff raises the taxes and then seizes the land for himself.
As long as he supports Prince John, the sheriff has no one to fear.
You'll stay with us. You'll have a roof over your head to keep out the rain, good companions, and you won't go hungry.
I'll see to that. Bless you, Robin.
A bag for meal, and a bag for malt, and a bag for barley corn, a bag for bread, and a bag for beef, and a bag for me small little horn. Why is it the sun is always hot and never cold?
You're a philosopher, my overstuffed friend.
You warn. Your purposely robbery is no use, for I've taken a vow of poverty. And if your purpose is not robbery, then why have you strung your arrow?
You've a quick mind. I could use a fellow like you. I'll test his mettle.
What are you talking to?
The woods are full of spirits. Watch out, or we'll get you. Ah!
Oh, you're a crazy person. That's what you are.
Crazy am I. See that swift-moving stream?
Aye.
I would cross it, but I have no wish to get wet.
And what's that to me?
You of the round belly will carry me.
I am no man's donkey. My staff will teach you some manners.
Ha! Ah! Will Scarlet, your staff! Now we shall see who carries who over that stream.
You shall carry me.
Straight out! Ah! I jumped aside!
What's that,
He's getting the best of you, Robin.
Robin? Oh, Robin! Oh, Robin, be careful!
If you but burp puppy, I'll crack your skull like a melon.
Nay, good friar. I know what I've been beaten. I may have no match with the bow and arrow, but you need take second place to no man for that staff.
Say the word, Robin. We'll pitch him in the stream.
And who are these men?
These are my men, friar.
And who are you?
Ignorant man!
What's that?
The man you thought is Robin Hood.
Robin Hood? The bandit? Boy, bless me, I might have been killed.
What is your name, monk?
I am called Friar Tuck.
And where is your monastery?
I have none. I come and go as I please.
And why not stay here with us in Greenwood? We have need of a priest.
Be a hunter? Little John and I wish to marry.
Being outlaws, so you're not mentioned in church now.
I promise you this, Friar Tuck, you'll never go hungry. Mother Meg is the finest cook in these parts.
I am partial to a good table. What's for dinner?
Wild rabbit pie and fresh baked bread. And apple pie.
Wild rabbit pie, fresh baked bread. An apple pie. Very well, I accept your offer.
Good, Friar. Welcome to Sherwood Forest, Friar Tuck. Glad to see you here. This could be your lucky day.
You're a good man with the staff.
Listen! It's the caravan!
Scatter, wait for my signal. Little John, hurry off and let me know what you see.
Yes, Robin. Oh, what have I gotten myself into?
A life of merry adventures and good deeds, good friar.
Hurry back, never fear.
No caravan would venture into Sherwood Forest without a heavy escort. A heavy escort means a person of great importance. I wonder who it is.
Escort, you mean soldiers?
What else?
Perhaps I should take more time to consider your offer. I prefer the quiet life of contemplation and meditation.
Robin, the caravan's headed this way. It's the Sheriff of Nottingham.
Sheriff of Nottingham!
He hasn't the courage.
I tell you, the Sheriff.
We'll all be thrown in the castle dungeon.
Away. We'll prepare our welcome.
But wait! But... Where'd you go?
I do think, milady, it would have been wiser to take the long way around.
Nonsense.
It's not too late. And besides, the long way around is more scenic. Here there are swamps and bogs and mires. Nasty stuff. Keep a sharp eye. Yes, sir.
You don't fool me, Sheriff.
What do you mean, your ladyship?
You're terrified of this bandit they call Robin Hood.
He might over here. He's everywhere in Sherwood Forest.
I'm under the protection of Prince John. I make no concessions to outlaws. The shortest route to Nottingham Castle is through this forest.
Yes, only...
Only what?
I forget.
Annabelle?
Milady.
I told you to stay close. Where's your mistress? Where is Maid Marian?
She stopped to pick some flowers.
Flowers! Has the child gone simple?
I'll fetch her once, milady.
Oh, there's no need. I'm here. Aren't they pretty? We have no time for dallying.
No sign of Mr. Sheriff.
The other men?
He strung out several pieces of that.
I think we should wait for our rear guard to catch up. You can't be too careful.
Coward.
No, you misjudged me, milady. It's not cowardice. It's military strategy. Yes, that's it, military strategy. Let's away to the castle. My wife and my daughter are anxious to meet you.
Lead on.
What is it? What's wrong?
I'm not sure. I'm sure.
Isn't it an attack? No one would dare. You'll hang for this. I'm Lady Merle, cousin of Prince John. This is Maid Marian, ward to King Richard. What you've done is treason.
Nay, milady, there is no treason here. Only loyalty to King Richard. Prince John is the traitor. He was to guard and protect England while Richard fought in the Crusades. But he has done nothing but plunder it.
There are other soldiers. He'll rescue.
I'm afraid not, dearie. The sheriff's men are being tied to the trees.
Good work.
Enough of this foolery. Sheriff, seize him. Where is he?
Gone.
But not far enough. Here's a man that steals from our poor townspeople. Here's the man that starves our poor widows. Here is the Sheriff of Nottingham.
Get up, you monkey! You're making a spectacle of yourself. Have you no shame?
You really ought to bathe more often, Sheriff. You meet a better class of people if you did.
You'll pay for this, bandit. I make it a vow.
Your money, Sheriff.
I never carry finances on my person.
A sheriff loyal to Prince John and no money? Who's ever heard of such a thing?
Shake it out of him.
What? You wouldn't. He'll have plenty on him.
I'm not to do that. Tax. I'll get out.
Shake hard.
Now, one point, Robin.
Tell the truth.
The Sheriff of Nottingham does not lie.
Ha! Search him.
Please, my dignity. Not in front of the ladies.
As you like. Search him yonder. And his men.
Move! And you!
And now, milady, I'll take that necklace.
No, milady, that necklace was a gift from your husband. May he rest in peace.
Never mind, Jenny. I admire your audacity. As a man, you were not without merit. As a traitor, you were contemptible.
I am no traitor, nor is any man that swears loyalty to the true King Richard.
Richard is being held ransom in Austria. If you are a true Englishman, Prince John is your king, or soon will be.
Never! I would seize a deer belonging to Prince John and feed a hungry village. Because of it, he branded me bandit and outlaw. Lady, you'll be searched.
The necklace is all I have that is of any worth. Thief!
I am no ordinary thief.
Robin only steals from the rich to help the poor.
Nonsense, woman! He steals from the rich because the poor have nothing worth taking. Since you see me as a common thief, I shall be one. Mother May.
Yes, Robin.
Please escort our guest to the nearby clearing and search her.
If she's hiding any silver or gold, I'll find it, milady. You've made an enemy out of me, Robin. You'll live to regret it. Ha! I doubt it. Robin, you are from Lockwood.
Yes?
You know this outlaw, milady?
I stayed in Castle Nottingham long ago when I was but a girl. There was a boy named Robin who came to the castle with his father. The father was a splendid archer, so I fell and gave him a table.
You, little Marion.
Yes, you? Girl Robin?
Fate does play tricks.
We meet again, no longer children. You're Robin an outlaw, and my maid Marion a great lady.
We are both victims of Prince John. I am to marry him.
What?
Lady Marl is convinced the people accept Prince John as their ruler once he's married to King Richard's ward.
An evil scheme.
Alas, I swear to King Richard I would obey Lady Merle in all things. Trust in her.
Such a vow is easily broken. You do not know her true nature.
A vow is a vow, Robin. Besides, what else can I do?
Stay here with my merry band. You won't regret it, Marion, I promise you that.
It's a lovely thought, Robin, but it cannot be.
She spoke the truth, Robin. The necklace was all.
A necklace with the king's ransom!
You wouldn't spend it for Richard's ransom. That's all glory. Won't change your mind?
No, Robin. I'm bound by my oath.
Out of my way, outlaw. Step aside. They found my money bag, Lady Merle.
Idiot!
Maid Marion, you and your companions are free to go. No harm will come to you.
Thank you, Robin.
Safe passage through Sherwood Forest. I'll lead the way.
Did you see that, Lady Merle? Maid Marion offered her hand. What can it mean?
To me, a great deal. To you, nothing.
I don't understand.
Understand this. I want the head of Robin Hood on a pike.
That's easier said than done, milady. In this forest, he's always safe.
He must leave the forest.
He'll never do it.
You will announce a county fair.
The county fair?
Everyone loves a county fair, and Robin Hood will show up.
I doubt it.
You forget one thing.
Oh?
Is he not reputed to be the finest archer in all of Nottingham?
In all of England, some say.
In that case, his vanity will lead him by the nose. I know how to deal with such men as Robin Hood.
I wish I knew what you were talking about.
This day, he's as good as in my trap. Sheriff,
Milady?
you look ridiculous.